We will work in 4 separate rounds: attitude, count, suit preference, and discards. You will have 10 silent seconds for each decision. Pause if you need more time. Here is the first hand. Which heart should South play? Play the 8 of hearts. It is the highest heart South can afford and tells partner that the queen makes a continuation attractive. Which heart should South play? Play the 3 of hearts. It is South's lowest heart and says that a continuation is not attractive. Playing the 9 would invent useful heart help that South does not have. Which heart should South play? Play the 8 of hearts to encourage. Partner can continue with the low 3 of hearts to South's ace, after which South returns a heart and the suit runs without blocking. Which spade should South play to encourage? Play the 9 of spades. It is the highest spot South can afford, so it encourages while preserving the Queen-Jack combination. A signal should be clear, but it should not spend a defensive honor. Partner leads the ace of spades. What should you play, and what is your plan if partner continues? Play the 10 of spades, the highest spade you can afford. It encourages because your queen can win the 3rd round. After winning that trick, cash the club ace for the setting trick. Which club gives an honest attitude signal? Play the 3 of clubs. South has no useful club honor and does not want North to continue automatically. What is your signal on the ace of clubs? Play the 10 of clubs to encourage. The club continuation creates a real overruff, and that is the defense's route to 4 tricks. Partner leads the ace of clubs. Which club do you play? Play the 2 of clubs to discourage. A club continuation gives declarer the timing. Partner should switch to hearts so the defense cashes its available tricks before dummy's diamonds run. Which heart should South play? Play the ace of hearts on partner's king, then return the 8 of hearts. If South keeps the ace, the suit may block in the shorthand. Partner leads the jack of hearts against 3 no trump. Dummy plays low. Should you signal with the 7 of hearts or play the king? Play the king of hearts. Partner's jack denies the queen under the standard lead agreement. Your king can affect the trick, so this is 3rd hand play, not a signaling situation. Partner leads the ace of spades. Which card communicates your touching honors most clearly? Play the Queen of Spades. Under the partnership agreement, the Queen promises the Jack or shows a singleton Queen. Partner can later underlead the King to your Jack, so you can lead a diamond through declarer. Partner leads the Jack of Hearts. Which card do you play? Play the Two of Hearts to discourage partner from continuing from the north side. Later, when you win the diamond ace, return a heart through declarer's remaining honor. A negative signal is about the current continuation, not a permanent ban on the suit. You lead the King of Diamonds and it wins. Partner plays the Three of Diamonds, while declarer deliberately ducks. What next? Trust partner's discouraging Three of Diamonds. Switch to a low heart. Partner wins the ace and returns a diamond through declarer's Ace-Jack. Partner leads the Ace of Clubs, the suit you bid. Should you encourage? No. Play the Two of Clubs to discourage. If partner continues clubs, you will be on lead too late. Partner must switch to the spades now so your spade holding can produce the setting tricks before dummy's diamonds provide discards. Declarer leads a suit, and exact length matters. Low first shows odd. High, then low, shows even. Do not give count merely because you can. Which diamond begins South's standard count signal? Play the Three of Diamonds. Low first shows an odd original number, here 5. This is count because declarer led the suit and partner may need the distribution. Which diamond begins South's standard count signal? Play the Nine of Diamonds. High, then low, shows an even original number, here 4. Do not play the Jack or 10. Count should be sent with the clearest safe spot card. Before our final count problem, one important note. Count signals can be challenging for beginners. They do not tell partner whether you like the suit. They describe whether your length is odd or even, and partner must combine that information with the cards already visible. That is why this beginner practice includes only 3 count exercises. 2 straightforward examples, followed by this more demanding one. The purpose is not to master every count situation today. It is to recognize a count signal, understand what it means, and see how it can guide the timing of the defense. We will not go deeper here. Count signals deserve a separate video of their own. Look only at clubs. Dummy, East, has the King, Jack, 10, 8, 7. You are South, holding the Ace, 3, 2. There are no entries to dummy outside this suit. Declarer, West, leads the Queen of Clubs. Partner plays the 4. Dummy plays the 7, and you play the 2. Declarer continues with the 9. Partner plays the 5, and dummy plays the 8. Which club should you play now? Partner played the 4, then the 5, low, then high. In standard count, low-high shows an odd number of cards. Partner cannot have a singleton because partner has followed to 2 rounds. Partner also cannot have all 5 missing clubs because declarer has already played the queen and the 9. Therefore, partner must have 3 clubs, and declarer began with only 2. The 9 is declarer's final club. Take the ace now. Declarer has no club left, so dummy's remaining clubs cannot be reached. If you play low, declarer's 9 wins a second club trick that declarer was not entitled to make. Now, change only the order of partner's cards. On the first round, declarer leads the queen. Partner plays the 5. Dummy plays the 7 and you play the 2. On the second round, declarer leads the 9. Partner plays the 4 and dummy plays the 8. Which club should you play now? Play the 3 of clubs. Do not take the ace yet. This time, partner played the 5, then the 4, high, then low. In standard count, high-low shows an even number of cards. Partner has followed twice, so partner has at least 2 clubs. Partner cannot have 4 because that would leave declarer with only 1, and declarer has already played 2. Partner therefore began with 2 clubs, and declarer began with 3, the queen, the 9, and the 6. Play the 3. Declarer's 9 wins the second round. Declarer now leads the 6, the final club from hand. Partner is out of clubs and discards. Dummy plays the 10. Take the ace now. Declarer's last club disappears, and dummy's king and jack are stranded. You have held declarer to 2 club tricks. That completes the count signal section. For this beginner practice, 3 exercises are enough. 2 simple examples to establish the pattern, and 1 harder example to show how count can affect the timing of a defensive play. Attitude and count are already irrelevant. Remove trumps and the lead suit, then use high for the higher side suit and low for the lower side suit. Partner leads the ace of hearts, and dummy has a singleton. Which heart asks for the higher ranking side suit? Play the 7 of hearts. Attitude and count are already irrelevant because dummy has a singleton. The high heart asks partner to switch to diamonds, the higher ranking side suit. Which diamond asks partner for clubs, the lower side suit? Play the 3 of diamonds. Dummy is already void, so attitude and count are not useful. The low card points to clubs, the lower of the 2 remaining side suits. Which diamond asks partner for hearts, the higher side suit? Play the 10 of diamonds. With attitude and count irrelevant, the high card points to hearts, the higher of the 2 remaining side suits. Partner wins declarer's first trump. Your interest in spades is already known. Which spade discard asks for clubs? Discard the 4 of spades. This is a suit preference position, not an attitude position. The low spade asks for clubs, the lower ranking side suit, before declarer can use dummy's 4th diamond. A discard happens only when South has no card left in the suit being played. South must then play a card from another suit. The first discard carries attitude, but the card must also protect winners, guards, and length. Which discard tells North where the setting trick is? Discard the 9 of clubs. South is not following spades. This is a real discard. The high club shows useful club strength, specifically the ace, and North can switch to a club for the setting trick. Which club should South discard to encourage without spending an honor? Discard the 5 of clubs. It is the highest club South can afford, even though it is not a dramatic-looking card. Partner should compare it with the visible spots and notice that the 3 is missing. Which heart should South discard to discourage hearts? Discard the 8 of hearts. The 8 may look high, but it is South's lowest heart. Signals are relative to the cards a defender can actually hold, not to a fixed rule such as 7 or higher. Partner wins first trump, and you must make your first discard. Which card gives the clearest message? Discard the 9 of diamonds. A clear positive signal is easier to read than a negative inference in another suit. Partner should shift to diamonds immediately and cash 3 tricks there. Partner cashes a 3rd top spade, forcing your first discard. Which suit needs immediate attention? Discard the 9 of clubs to encourage clubs. Your diamond tricks can wait, but the club king must be established before declarer can use dummy's diamond king for a discard. This practice video brings our Fundamentals of Defense for Beginners mini-series to a close. I hope the 3 lessons have helped you feel more confident when defending at the bridge table. Subscribe to Bridge Lab for more bridge lessons and practice videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.